Only a few minutes a day can make a big difference.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 365 Dalish Conversations.
I'm Arrefa.
And I'm Tiffany. We're so happy you're spending part of your Sunday with us.
After a busy week, everyone deserves a little rest.
That's why today's topic is relaxing on Sunday.
Today's keywords are relax, movie, music, and nap.
Let's learn some useful English while enjoying a peaceful weekend.
Good morning, Tiffany.
Good morning, Arrefa. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. How are you today?
I'm feeling relaxed. I finally don't have to wake up early.
That's one of the best things about Sunday. No alarm clock, no rushing, just a slow morning.
Exactly. I made a cup of tea and sat by the window. It was so peaceful.
That sounds wonderful. I slept a little longer today. Then I made breakfast.
What did you eat?
Pancakes with honey and fresh fruit. What about you?
I had toast, scrambled eggs, and orange juice. Simple but delicious.
Do you have any plans today?
Not many. I just want to relax. Maybe listen to some music. How about you?
I want to watch a movie this afternoon. I've been waiting all week.
What kind of movie do you like?
I enjoy comedy movies. They always make me laugh.
I like romantic comedies and animated movies. They always make me smile.
That's nice. Sometimes a good movie is the perfect way to relax.
I agree. Do you usually listen to music while you're at home?
Yes, soft music helps me feel calm. Sometimes I play jazz. Sometimes I listen to acoustic songs. What about you?
I like relaxing piano music. It makes the house feel peaceful.
Do you ever take a nap on Sunday?
Almost every Sunday. Just a short nap after lunch. Maybe 30 minutes.
That's perfect. A short nap gives me more energy too.
Exactly. After that, I usually read a book or water my plants.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday. No stress, no hurry, just enjoying the little things.
Sometimes we forget how important it is to rest.
Yes, relaxing helps us feel ready for a new week.
Tomorrow is Monday again. But today, let's enjoy every moment.
Good idea. A peaceful Sunday makes a happy Monday.
Absolutely. Let's relax and enjoy the rest of the day.
Now let's review today's vocabulary.
1. Relax. Relax means to rest and feel calm. Example: I like to relax on Sunday. 2. Movie. A movie is a film you watch for entertainment. Example: we watched a funny movie last night. 3. Music. Music is something we listen to for enjoyment. Example: soft music helps me relax. 4. Nap. A nap is a short sleep during the day. Example: I usually take a nap after lunch. 5. Peaceful. Peaceful means quiet and calm. Example: it was a peaceful morning. 6. Weekend. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. Example: I love relaxing on the weekend. 7. Comedy. A comedy is a funny movie or TV show. Example: comedy movies always make me laugh. 8. Energy. Energy means strength to do things. Example: a short nap gives me more energy.
You've already heard the slow version.
Now, let's listen at natural speed.
Don't worry if you miss a few words.
Just focus on the main ideas. Let's go!
Happy Sunday, Tiffany.
Happy Sunday! I'm enjoying a slow morning today.
Me too. Do you have any plans?
Not really. I just want to relax, listen to music, and maybe take a nap.
That sounds perfect. I'm planning to watch a movie this afternoon.
What kind of movie?
A comedy. I need a good laugh.
Great choice. A relaxing Sunday helps us prepare for the new week.
Ready for a challenge?
This time, the conversation will be faster.
Stay relaxed.
Keep listening. You can do it.
It's such a peaceful Sunday.
Yes, I'm listening to music now, and later I'll watch a movie.
Don't forget to take a short nap.
That's definitely part of my Sunday plan.
Now is the time shadowing practice.
Now it's your turn. Listen, pause, and repeat.
I want to relax today.
Let's watch a movie.
I'm listening to music.
I'm going to take a nap.
It's a peaceful Sunday.
I feel relaxed.
Have a wonderful weekend.
Now, listening and speaking challenge.
Now it's your turn. Answer these questions aloud. And we would appreciate it if you would write them in the description.
Question 1. What do you usually do on Sunday? Question 2. What kind of movie do you like? Question 3. What music helps you relax? Question 4. Do you take a nap on weekends? Question 5. What is your perfect Sunday?
Excellent work! You practiced another real-life English conversation.
Remember, learning English doesn't have to be stressful. Take your time, practice a little every day, and enjoy the journey.
We'll be back tomorrow with another useful English conversation from everyday life.
Until then, relax, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep smiling.
Have a wonderful Sunday. See you tomorrow.
Bye!